the interesting thing is that growing up poor, where everybody was poor, in the midst of a great depression, um, there was no personal depression except, among the grown-ups. All the kids, Jewish and otherwise, were assimilationist. They didn't see themselves as hyphenate, although they were hyphenate. They wanted to be American, and they wanted to join they knew how to be American from movie images of Americans that were produced and often written by Hollywood Jews. So that the mythic America was invented in part by these Jews who themselves wanted to be American, and they invented the America they wanted to be a part of, and America bought into that fantasy. And all of us, all the kids I grew up with, everybody I knew, as poor as we were, all of us assumed we'd do well. All of us assumed this was temporary and we're going to fight our way out of here, and we're going to be an American, and we'll be successful Americans, and we'll be part of that American dream, which was very important to us. And that was not at odds with being Jewish. Although we saw the Jewishness, the notion of being a Bronx Jew, or I did certainly, or a Brooklyn Jew, disappearing, because I too wanted to sound like Walter Cronkite. When I first heard a tape recording of myself in an interview shortly after I was getting to be well known and getting taped, I was shocked at how Bronx I sounded, and appalled because I thought I had gotten rid of that, and worked very hard over the years to do it, because I wanted to sound American, and that was the dream. That was it. But that didn't stop you from seeing yourself also culturally Jewish.